Hi, I'm Tyler Morozic with the Outdoor Adventure Program here at the RecWell, and today I will be talking to you about our Mountain Hardwear 70-liter backpacks available for rent. This backpack has many features, such as straps on the bottom for attaching sleeping pads, has cup holders on either side, and even a removable day pack that you can take out of this. To remove the day pack, open it up, and you'll find a yellow strap on either side like this. Start by removing this on both sides. And then it simply slides out and you can use this for day hikes. To put this on, slide it over your shoulder. There are straps on either side that you can use to adjust the height and tightness of these straps. There's also a belt strap, which has pockets on both sides. After clipping this in, you can use these to tighten these or loosen them. You want these to sit on or above your hip bones. Lastly, there is a chest strap. You want this to sit firmly across your chest. You can use this to tighten or loosen it. For more information about this backpack, you can go to go.uic.edu/wild.